God at creation made everything good and beautiful for the benefit of humans and to their satisfaction. Almost everyone basks in the beauty and the calmness of nature if it appears in its fullness. Nature is sweet. Nature is pretty. Everything in our physical realm is all about nature. Time, human, trees, seas, oceans, desert, and even life in general. Nature is just the way every other thing appear, exist, and even change at their own accord. In nature, everything has a purpose and it's never in a rush. Flexibility in nature helps it endure. Nature knows what is good for her. In the world of nature, everything revolves around self-preservation and reproduction. As humans, we have a strong potential to be constructive. We are creative, able to connect with each other and live through life-changing experiences. We can become fused with nature. We can also enjoy our solitude. But sometimes our destructive side can dominate within us and we might engage in things that are harmful to us or even to our environment. By listening to our intuition, developing a growth mindset and doing their inner work, we will be able to understand our intention, values, and purpose better. Recognize and respond to our emotion adequately and maintain a balanced life by that. Nature never hurries, and yet everything is accomplished sooner or later. When you spend time in nature, by the sea, in the forest, or in the desert, you notice nothing really happens in a rush. On the other hand, human beings are always in a hurry. We overload ourselves with works that can't even fit into 24 hours, and then we get stressed out. Stop for a moment, take a deep breath, disconnect in order to connect yourself, set your priorities, and change your life's tempo. If we look more closely into nature, we will observe that everything in it has a purpose. Every single movement is geared toward preserving the system within it. No corruption, no reduction. Spending time in nature makes us a better humans. It helps us relax, disconnect, and discover the depth of life. Nature is also an incredible and a wise teacher. Unless the human factors in us changes the balance of a certain natural habitat in nature, everything just functions flawlessly and in perfect harmony. All elements of nature are resilient in their flexibility. They are intuitive, they take their time, they have a purpose. There are so many useful takeaways from this primary home of ours, which is nature. It is just a matter of paying attention and acknowledging those lessons. So as you go about today, I want you to take a cognizance of the environment where you are and just see yourself in the beauty of everything around you, and do not forget to leave your comments below. I am Biodo Bakari and I make content on personal development and lifestyle. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow all my social media platforms.